So if you are looking to transfer your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, you are on the correct video, because I'm going to show you both the free method and the paid method. Over the years, many Android users have been switching to iPhones. Around 10% of the people switched from Android to iPhone in 2020. Then the number increased to 15% in 2021. And then in 2023, so far, it's 17% of the people who have moved from Android to iPhone. And there are many. For example, affordability of the smartphone, well, not affordable, but there are cheaper versions of iPhone also available in the market. So people are switching from Android to iPhone, and their biggest concern is to move their WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone, because it is not as straightforward as moving your WhatsApp data from one Android to another Android phone or one iPhone to another iPhone. And WhatsApp did not offer any native solution for this. If you are on Android, all your backups will be saved in Google Drive, which is Google's product. And if an iPhone user has to back up their WhatsApp data, it will be uploaded on iCloud, which is Apple's product. So there is no communication between Google's Google Drive or iPhone's iCloud. Recently, Apple has added this option of moving WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. They already have got an app in the Play Store which is Move to iOS. It lets you move your Android data such as the contacts, the call details, and few other things. It can easily be moved from Android to iPhone. Now there is one more option, that is data from WhatsApp. So this free method is quite straightforward. Have your Android phone with you, install Move to iOS, and then have your iPhone in the other end. If it's brand new, you don't have to do anything. Just follow the instructions and tap on setup manually. But if you have already set up your phone, you have to reset it. For reset, you can go to General in settings of your iPhone and then tap on reset, so that you get another chance to set up your iPhone again. And this time follow the screen instructions and set up manually. Once you are on the screen where you can see move from Android, you can tap on that, and then you will get a unique code. You will need to enter this password into your Android mobile phone, and after that your Android phone and your iPhone will make a secure Wi-Fi connection to move data. Once the connection is set up, you can select all the things that you want to move from your Android. For example, contacts, messages, and data from WhatsApp. Once you tap on data on WhatsApp, WhatsApp opens and it starts exporting your WhatsApp data. So in the backend, WhatsApp is taking a backup of your data that can be exported into iPhone. Once it is done, the transfer will start, and you will have to wait for a few minutes or maybe hours depending on how much the data is. If the data is like 5 GB, 10 GB, you might have to wait for an hour. And this also depends on what smartphone you are using. If a flagship smartphone which has got a storage that has high reading and writing speed, then it is not going to take that much, but you will have to wait for some time. Be patient, and once the data transfer is completed, follow the instructions and your WhatsApp data will be moved from your Android mobile phone to your iPhone. As easy as it sounds. But the problem is it doesn't work with all the smartphones. If you go to Play Store and go to this app Move to iOS, you will see there is no good rating, because a lot of people have tried and failed. So it does not work for everybody. Maybe it works for flagship smartphones like Samsung, because I'm assuming that the developers of this app are from the US, and in the US only flagship smartphones like Samsung, LG, and these smartphones are available there, not the smartphones that are made in China. And maybe Apple is also not targeting those people. They are mainly targeting flagship smartphones, because those are the people who will be moving to another flagship platform. If for some reason your Android smartphone does not support this move WhatsApp data from iPhone option, then there is a workaround of moving your WhatsApp data from your Android mobile to a flagship mobile. Obviously this is not for everyone, but if by chance you have got a Samsung phone or a latest smartphone with you, you can temporarily move your WhatsApp from your Android, your old Android mobile, to a new Android mobile, and maybe that will support this move WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. So then you can easily move your WhatsApp data from Android to iPhone. If it does not work, there is a workaround if you do not want to spend money on paid software. Meta, the parent company of WhatsApp, has made WhatsApp a multi-device application, which means it can be run on multiple devices. If you are using it on your Android mobile phone, you can use the same WhatsApp on your iPhone without having to log out of your Android mobile phone. You can go to the settings area, then go to linked devices, and then scan the QR code to log into your iPhone. This way you will be able to use your WhatsApp on your iPhone, and it is independent of your Android mobile phone, which means even if your Android phone is not connected to the internet, there is no data available, you will still be able to use your WhatsApp on your iPhone. The only thing is your WhatsApp will remain primary on your Android mobile phone, and you will be using linked account on your iPhone. If that's you, then this is definitely a good workaround where you don't have to pay for third-party apps. This is a workaround. I thought I will share it with you before going to the paid method, which is third-party applications. Now for the third-party solutions, sadly all of the third-party solutions are paid. Maybe they know that that people who are moving to Apple won't mind spending small amount of money moving their precious data from one smartphone to another. So there are many third-party apps available, such as Mobile Trans, and then there is Words Go. So I tried Words Go and I got 1 month license, and it had 30% discount, so I got it for around $13, which is okay to pay, because if you go to local stores, they will also charge somewhere around rupees 1500 to 2000 for this exact thing. So you can do it at your home using this application called Words Go, and it is pretty straightforward. You will have to connect your Android smartphone as well as your iPhone using the data cable, connect it to your computer, and then open this application, select the Android smartphone in the source and the iPhone in the destination. If your computer is not able to recognize the Android mobile phone, maybe you will have to enable USB debugging, which requires you to enable developer options for your smartphone. That can easily be done by going to the settings area and then going to the about section. Wherever you find the software version of your Android, you will have to tap on it several times and you will be able to enable the developer options. Once the developer options is enabled, you can go to developer options and enable USB debugging. So when the USB debugging is enabled, hopefully your computer will be able to recognize the Android smartphone that will be showing in the source of this application. Once that is visible, you can continue the process and follow the on-screen instructions. One of those instructions would be go to your WhatsApp and back up your chats locally. On your Android mobile phone, you will have to go to the settings area of your WhatsApp and then take a local backup of your WhatsApp data. And before that, you will have to enable the encryption. The option to enable encryption is on the same page. When you enable the encryption, there will be a pop-up on the screen which will give you an encryption key. You can take a screenshot of that, keep it safe, because you will require these keys to unlock that data or decrypt that data so that it can be moved to your iPhone. Once you are done doing this, the process of moving your data from Android to iPhone starts. You will have to wait for a few minutes or hours depending on the data of your WhatsApp and follow the screen instructions. So once the backup of your WhatsApp data is generated on your mobile phone, it will be moved to your computer where it will be decrypted. Remember the encryption key you got when you enabled encryption? You took a screenshot of that. You will require that to decrypt your data. Once you enter this information, your data will be decrypted and converted into a format that can be restored to the iPhone. In the final step, WhatsApp Go will prompt you to log into your iPhone. If you don't have WhatsApp on your iPhone, you can go to the App Store, install WhatsApp, log in using the same number, and once you log in, you can continue the process. Once the data has been restored, you will find all your chats in WhatsApp on your iPhone. So these third-party solutions are quite helpful when you don't want to reset your iPhone. If your iPhone is brand new, you can definitely try the first method, which is free, and if it works, then very good. If not, you can try the second method, although you will have to pay. Don't look for free solutions because there aren't any. So this is how you move your WhatsApp data from your Android mobile phone to iPhone. The third-party method also works in vice versa. Maybe if you have to move your iPhone WhatsApp data to an Android mobile phone, you can use the same software. The process is pretty much similar. There is a detailed article that I have written on my blog, techdipper.com. The link will be in the description or in the first comment. You can go read there. I will try to keep it updated with latest information whenever I get it. That's it in this video. I hope you find this useful. If you did, you can hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.